Do you want to learn how to create AI videos just like this? Of course, they are just 8 seconds videos, and most creators on various social media profiles are actually using this video to make tons of income. And I think definitely you want to join the bandwagon. That's why I'm putting up this video just for you. And they normally come in 8 seconds, but you can combine them to create long form content, maybe up to a minute, and of course, upload them to your various social media profiles, and definitely you start making money from them, especially if you want to create a faceless social media profiles either on YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. You know, most people actually think that you can do this only using Google View, but I was showing you a new application which you can use to do this and achieve it within a matter of minutes. It doesn't really take time using this application. So we'll be jumping there right into it, and I'll show you how to do that. So before we do that, in case you're coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, Chibuzagwa is my name. I'm Blog Infotech. Class you can see is the name of this YouTube channel. It's actually a tutorial based YouTube channel, a do-it-yourself channel, a technology related channel, and definitely if you want to be part of that channel to support me, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video. So if you've done that, let's jump into, let me show you how to create AI videos just like this and start making money from them. So now we're on my PCV. Let me show you how it is being done. First of all, let me play this. I just created this video. Let me play and download it first. Then I'll walk you through how you can actually achieve that. Let me see. Okay. The network is kind of busy.
Handball in the kitchen.
Okay, that's cool. So now I have to download this video. I think it's cool. So if you want to download this video, use this you see this cursor sign. That's a download sign. Let's download this video before I'll now show you the steps. Okay, the video is downloaded. So now to generate this, we are going to use Canva. I believe you must have already gotten a Canva account, but in case you haven't, you can easily go to canva.com and create an account. And note, it must be you have to upgrade to the pro before you can actually do this. You have to upgrade to the pro. So you can see the notification here. My pro will be expiring in 2 days. So note that you must be in pro. So once you're in pro, you go to canva.com. This is what you see at the home page. And all you need to do is to click on this place and say Canva AI. But I'm already logged in. Let's go back to that window which shows I'm already using. Now go back. Once you click Canva AI, this is something like this you'll see. The reason why this is the first window, this is the window I opened for you guys, but this is the window I'm already using. The reason why I want to use the same window is because I've already set all my parameters for the video that I would like to create, a second video. Now, once you have a Canva Pro account, you are entitled to creating videos on Canva Pro. That's once you've upgraded to the Pro. Now, to create video ideas, what I normally do, or to get video ideas, I normally use ChatGPT. As you can see, I didn't write any of the scripts. I didn't prepare it. So go to the first prompt I made. Actually, let's see. I said I actually asked ChatGPT to list some funny video ideas that are related to football, and it listed up to 10 ideas. So what I actually used was the second idea. So you can see my second prompt. I read through, then I selected the second. I said, okay, using the second idea, generate a script for an 8-second video. I want to use Canva AI to generate the video. You see, I specified the AI tool that I would like to use to generate the video. So, of course, ChatGPT got the prompt, it understood the message, and it created videos from his settings and scene. I also give him the prompts to like make the video one sentence, to reduce it to just a statement, and it did. Now, after doing that, he also asked a question. Say, here is an optimized Canva AI video prompt you would like to use. Okay, now go down. Now he generated the first prompt. Then he now asked, that's ChatGPT now asked, do you also want me to create alternate videos for this prompt? The reason why I said yes is because the ideas are the same. They are both related to football. They are funny videos. So I say yes, created alternate video, and it did, generating further 4 different scripts that are still related to the idea, the second idea I chose from the start. I've created video using this first prompt, and this second prompt I did on also. What I want to do next is to use the remaining prompt, which is this very last prompt, because I've created 4 or 3 videos already, if I'm not mistaken. I've created this, I've created this. Yes, okay, so it's remaining this last prompt. That's why I said let me do this video. So the prompt is this. All I have to do now is to copy this prompt. Copy the prompt. So let me right click because I'm holding the mic with my second hand. So copy, then I'll now move to Canva AI. So all I have to do now is to paste the prompt right here. As you can see, I didn't crack my brain in writing any story. So now what is once it is set, and as I told you earlier on, all the parameters I want to the video are already set. So that's why I said let me use this same window. So I'll now hit go. I have to send it in. So now the video is being generating. We'll see. Let's see, go up a little bit. It's been generating. Yeah, this is the frame for the video. You normally get the problem that, oh, okay, I'll start working on your video. This video might take up to 2 minutes, but normally it doesn't take up to 2 minutes. Depending on your network speed, it doesn't take up to 2 minutes. At the moment, I'm having just like I said, like a crippling network on the internet speed is not really fast at the moment, but it will never take up to 2 minutes. So let's say the video has been generating. Remember what I told you guys from the start. I say you must be on Canva Pro. You must have upgraded to Canva Pro. But in case you've upgraded to Canva Pro and you never know that this feature exists in Canva, please do go to Canva AI and start generating your AI video. So if you like this video already, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to ask any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. Of course, I normally attend to questions, individual questions, depending on what you ask, and let it be related to this video that you're watching at the moment. The first thing, okay, the video is generated. Let's see. Let's take a snippet of the video. Okay. And the funny part is that I didn't even read through the prompt.
Foul. Late tackle on the street.
So as you can see, the video has been generated, and just like I did in the last one, all I have to do is to click the download icon button at the top right just here. My cursor is hovering over it. So I click download, and automatically all it says, because you can see these are the 4 videos that I created using this 4 prompt that ChatGPT just generated for me. So you can see how easy it is for you to create 8 seconds AI videos using ChatGPT. So all I have to do now is to go to my gallery and I will tweak these videos. Yes, of course, I wouldn't upload them just like that. I'll go to my galleries, then use any video editing tools. Most especially, I have a paid subscription on what's the name of this app. So I will have to use it and edit these videos more to suit my taste. That's CapCut. I have a paid subscription on CapCut. I will edit them, put text, and do whatsoever I please it with them before I upload them on one of my YouTube channels. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. And like I said, don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll attend to them speedily. Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and Bloggy for is the name of the channel. So go to our playlist and watch other videos. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.